Welcome to my channel, where we explore the groundbreaking innovations shaping our future. Imagine a world where your contact lenses are smarter than your smartphone and farms float on water. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. Today, we're diving into the top 10 cutting-edge inventions that are transforming our world right now. These technologies are not just ideas on paper, they're real, they're here, and they're about to change everything. Buckle up and get ready for a journey into the future that will leave you speechless. 1. Graphene batteries. Let's start with graphene batteries, a technological marvel that's set to revolutionize energy storage. Graphene, a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a honeycomb lattice, is incredibly strong and conducts electricity better than any other material. Imagine charging your phone in just a few minutes or your electric car in under 30 minutes. That's the potential of graphene batteries. Companies like Samsung and Huawei are researching and developing these batteries, aiming for longer-lasting, faster charging, and more environmentally friendly options. While still in the developmental stage, the promise of graphene batteries could transform renewable energy storage, making solar and wind power more reliable by storing excess energy for use during periods of low generation, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and contributing to a more sustainable future. 2. Floating solar farms. As we search for sustainable energy solutions, floating solar farms are making waves, literally. These innovative installations place solar panels on bodies of water, such as lakes and reservoirs, saving valuable land space and benefiting from the cooling effect of water, which enhances their efficiency. China has built the world's largest floating solar farm, generating enough electricity to power thousands of homes. The Netherlands is also pioneering this technology with projects that integrate solar power with aquaculture. Floating solar farms represent a harmonious blend of technology and nature, providing clean energy without occupying precious land resources. They can also help reduce water evaporation from reservoirs and improve water quality by inhibiting algal growth, playing a crucial role in meeting our growing energy needs while preserving the natural landscape. 3. Autonomous delivery drones. Next up, we have autonomous delivery drones, futuristic couriers that are transforming the logistics industry. Imagine ordering a product online and receiving it within an hour via a flying drone. These drones, equipped with advanced AI and navigation systems, can deliver packages quickly and efficiently, bypassing traffic and reducing carbon emission. Autonomous delivery drones are set to make our shopping experiences faster, greener, and more convenient. Beyond consumer deliveries, drones are being utilized for medical supplies, transporting vital medications and blood samples to remote areas, providing quick access to essential healthcare services. As regulations and technologies evolve, drones will play an increasingly prominent role in our everyday lives. 4. Smart contact lenses. What if your contact lenses could do more than just correct your vision? Enter smart contact lenses. These high-tech lenses are embedded with tiny sensors and microelectronics that can monitor health indicators, provide augmented reality experiences, and display information directly in your line of sight. Imagine being able to check your blood sugar levels or receive real-time navigation directions just by wearing contact lenses. Companies like Google and Mojo Vision are leading this charge, with prototypes already showing promising results. While still in the prototype stage, smart contact lenses could revolutionize healthcare and how we interact with digital information, making our daily lives smarter and more connected. They could also improve the quality of life for people with chronic conditions by continuously monitoring vital health metrics and alerting users to potential issues. 5. Haptic feedback suits. Imagine stepping into a virtual world where you can feel everything as if it were real. Haptic feedback suits are making this possible. These suits use advanced sensors and actuators to provide tactile feedback, simulating physical sensation. Companies like Tesla Suit and Haptic are developing suits that can replicate a wide range of experiences, from the impact of a punch in a video game to the texture of virtual objects. Beyond gaming, they're set to transform how we interact with virtual environments, making the experience more immersive and lifelike. For example, haptic feedback suits can be used in medical training to simulate surgical procedures, allowing students to practice and refine their skills in a controlled, virtual environment. In physical therapy, these suits can provide targeted feedback to help patients recover from injuries by guiding their movements. 6. Space-based solar power. Harnessing the sun's energy from space might sound like a sci-fi concept, but it's rapidly becoming a potential reality. Space-based solar power involves placing solar panels in orbit to collect solar energy directly from the sun, then transmitting it to Earth via microwave or laser beams. This method ensures a constant energy supply, unaffected by weather or nighttime. Countries like China and Japan are heavily investing in this technology, with plans to build large-scale space solar power stations. Although still in the research and development phase, if successful, space-based solar power could provide an endless supply of clean energy, dramatically reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating climate change. The idea of harvesting solar energy in space is particularly appealing because it circumvents many of the challenges faced by terrestrial solar panels, such as atmospheric interference and the day-night cycle. 7. Advanced prosthetics. Advances in prosthetic technology are offering new hope and independence to individuals with limb loss. Today's prosthetics are incredibly sophisticated, incorporating robotics, materials science, and neural engineering. Modern prosthetics can be controlled by the user's thoughts, providing a level of dexterity and control that was once unimaginable. Companies like Open Bionics and URSA are developing prosthetic limbs that are not only functional, but also affordable and accessible. These advanced prosthetics can perform complex tasks, integrate seamlessly with the human body, and even provide sensory feedback. For example, bionic arms equipped with advanced sensors can provide users with a sense of touch, allowing them to perform delicate tasks like picking up a fragile object. These innovations are helping individuals regain their independence and confidence, enabling them to lead fuller, more active lives. 8. Aolis Robotics. Aolis Robotics creates and sells robots designed for a wide range of businesses and tasks. Their most popular product, AO, is a multifunctional humanoid robot with an impressive array of abilities, including opening doors, controlling elevators, delivering medications, and more. AO's mission is to improve the lives of individuals globally by making their daily tasks easier and more productive, especially for the elderly and those with health issues. AO also comes with a convenient mobile app that allows users to control and access it from anywhere. Aolis Robotics provides adaptable payment options, round-the-clock assistance, and frequent software upgrades to ensure their clients receive the best possible service. Available 24 hours a day, AO is more than just a robot. It's a dependable and competent companion. 9. Floating farms. With the global population steadily increasing, innovative solutions for food production are more critical than ever. Floating farms offer a unique approach by utilizing water bodies. These farms can grow crops using sustainable methods that minimize land use and environmental impact. The floating farm in Rotterdam, for example, produces dairy products on a floating platform, showcasing the potential of this technology. Floating farms could be particularly valuable in urban areas with limited space, providing fresh, locally grown food while reducing the carbon footprint associated with traditional agriculture. They can also help mitigate the effects of climate change by adapting to rising sea levels and providing a stable food supply in regions prone to flooding. 10. Smart glass windows and windows that can change their properties at the touch of a button. Smart glass technology makes this possible. These windows can switch from transparent to opaque, control the amount of light and heat entering a building, and significantly reduce energy consumption by optimizing indoor temperatures and lighting conditions. Companies like View and Sagerglass are developing advanced smart glass products that are already being used in buildings worldwide. In addition to energy savings, smart glass can enhance privacy and security by allowing users to control the transparency of their window. And there you have it. 10 cutting-edge inventions that are set to change our future. From revolutionary energy solutions and life-enhancing medical devices to immersive virtual experiences and sustainable food production, these technologies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're not just ideas, they're happening now, transforming our world and paving the way for a brighter, smarter, and more sustainable future. Which invention are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.